This is a battery box by EBL. We're going to go ahead and get this unboxed and take a look. I will say this is a lot smaller than what I thought it would be in person, which is kind of cool in a way because it's more portable. You can throw this in the backpack, maybe in the trunk of your car. So it comes with the charger. Looks like there's USB-C and micro USB. More on that later. We are presented with two sets of different kinds of batteries. We have 4 AA batteries on each side, and then we have 4 AAA batteries in the middle. And what's really cool is that these batteries can be used in conjunction with these plastic adapters. This one is for the C battery, and this one is for a D battery. So you can take the AA battery only, not the AAA, and you can insert them into these adapters to make them a C battery, a C cell battery, or a D cell battery. So there's a pro and a con. The pro is going to be, there's not too many devices nowadays that use C cell batteries or D cell batteries, at least for me personally. So just to have this as an option is pretty cool. In a pinch, if you need to power something, you have the capability of doing that, and it's rechargeable. Now, the only drawback is going to be you are limited to the AA battery capacity. So you're not going to get the same capacity that you would normally get from a C cell or a D cell. Not the end of the world for me. Another positive to this battery box is that the battery chemistry in this is nickel metal hydride. That is an old, tried and true rechargeable battery chemistry. And the newer batteries out there, they're lithium, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, only you'll see sometimes if you read the manuals of old radios, old flashlights, it will tell you to use nickel metal hydride or alkaline only. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm keeping a kit like this around, because I have older flashlights that I don't personally want to run on lithium, and I also have a couple of emergency radios and regular radios that specifically state in the manual that in order for them to be rechargeable, they have to be nickel metal hydride. They won't take the lithium ion. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the AA batteries. AA batteries are in. And let's give it a go. So it looks like here the green lights are blinking. That's indicating a charge. So it looks like one of the batteries finished charging. You'll see that the light stays illuminated green and is no longer blinking. It's stated in the manual that to charge all 4 AA batteries from 0 to 100%, it'll take you about 160 minutes. What's really interesting too is that if you put the batteries in backwards, it actually pops the battery back out. So they kind of made this foolproof as well. So the positive side should go up here towards the top, and if I go ahead and I put it in the opposite way, it won't let you do it. Look at that. Just pops it right back out. So it's kind of foolproof in a way. Interesting. An interesting product, because I was picturing this case to be maybe 2-3 times larger than it actually was. I don't know why, because there aren't that many batteries in here, and there's only a couple of adapters, but I really like this size because of the portability aspect. You can throw this into virtually anything and have a battery kit